Hi families, I'm often asked by parents what else they can be doing to help their child with DLD. So the child is already in speech therapy or has been in speech therapy for a while, but families want to do more. They want to know what else they can do to support their child. So my number one piece of advice is for you to help your child find something that they feel proud of and then prioritize that. Help your child to deepen their skills in that area, to feel more and more proud of themselves in that area. Maybe it's volleyball, football, maybe it's painting, maybe it's crochet. There's so many different areas that our kids are interested. Maybe it's an interest in outer space, right? But if that child starts to feel very competent in that area, that they know a lot of information about outer space, or that they're a really good football player, that can be hugely important. We know that our kids are at higher risk of depression, higher risk of anxiety, but having something that makes them feel good and makes them feel proud of themselves, that can help prevent the anxiety or depression, right? We know our kids tend to struggle socially, but if they have a shared interest or a common skill with other kids, that can act as a bridge and really help them in that area as well. So, biggest takeaway from this video, my number one piece of advice, help your child find something that they're good at, something that makes them feel proud of themselves, and develop it. That's more important than almost everything else, I would say. And it can be used as a foundation to build upon. So you can work on language skills in that context of their talent or their interest. You can work on executive function skill development in that area, but first, you got to establish it. So prioritize what it is that makes them feel good, because oftentimes school doesn't, right? So I would prioritize this. That's number two. Second thing that I would suggest is that you educate yourself as a parent. Learn about the different aspects of language. Understand the words like syntax, morphology. We've got a video on syntax. I can make one on morphology if people are interested, but learn about DLD and the different facets of language so that you can best advocate for your child. Watch our video on school supports to ask for, so that you can use the wording for accommodations and modifications that you believe would be beneficial for your child. So that is another hugely important thing that you can do. You can also learn all kinds of language facilitation techniques that you can help your child with, but I would say most important is to help your child find that area where they can thrive, and then once you've got that established, you use that as a springboard for everything else. Hope this was helpful.